At first sight, Maznik seems like a challenge for any of us, but what seems difficult, it's actually quite easy. To prepare the pie, knead a dough from the flour, water, baking powder, and salt. Work the dough and divide the dough into 4 equal parts. And shape each part into a ball, which you will then press with the palms of your hands. Coat each piece of dough with vegetable oil and let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Place the first piece of dough on a clean tablecloth and start stretching it with well-oiled hands. If you notice that the sheet does not stretch easily, let it rest for another 3 to 4 minutes for the dough to absorb the oil and then continue stretching. And if you want to avoid thick ends, use a knife to remove them. When the sheet is ready, add some of the cottage cheese filling, sprinkle a little bit of vegetable oil, then, using the tablecloth, roll the sheet. Starting from the center of the baking pan, arrange the roll sheets into a spiral. Bake in a preheated oven at 400 Fahrenheit for about 30 to 35 minutes or until it gets a nice golden brown color. I hope you will give this recipe a try and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media. Have fun cooking, until the next time.